What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium back with another episode of the Funky Futures. Well, today we finally got a little bit of our pullback again to that 80 MA. But basically that 4164 level struck again, right? Got underneath it, went down and tested the lower end of that range. 4022 is now a pretty decent level, right? So you want to make sure you mark that in there. Currently right now, while I'm filming this, I do have a short in place at 43s. I feel like there's a little bit of supply there from this afternoon's little ramp up in this area right here. So that might hit. If not, I don't want to wait too long for it overnight. So if it comes in the next hour, great. If not, no big deal. I'm probably going to go to sleep and not worry about it until the morning. But just want to tell you guys, look, it kind of looks like we are forming a very big cup and handle, right? Doesn't that look like it a little bit right here? Got the big old cup and you got this handle, right? So you'll want to see, basically, you don't want to get above this 42, 43 right here, right? This area, and that could probably take it down lower. This could also be its own little cup, and then we got a handle forming. I don't know. We'll see. After today's action, it looked like we do want to pull back a little bit, just multiple times into supply, and we aren't making any new highs. Matter of fact, we're having a bunch of lower highs, right? So let's see how this plays out overnight. We'd really need to really get back above this 64 level for me to really think we're going to go to test highs tomorrow. So plan for tomorrow is this. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit here. Plan for tomorrow is, if we break back up to 64s, great. You want to break above that to be long. You could take an initial reject there. However, I wouldn't mind seeing if we break down below today's low for the, today's low is going to be this candle here, right? So 22s, we'll have another test at about 4,100, right? This area right in here. Okay, I'll want to see if we can put a bounce in there. If not, you'll want to take a stab long in this area from 4062 to 4070.80. I know that's kind of a wide range, but you could see this demand area, right? 4050 all the way to like 4085. That's a very wide range, I know. But you're just going to have to be a trader at that point. That once we get down there, you're going to want to look to see if we can get a long going. Obviously, if we get down to 4005, that is definitely a long area. As well, we have jobless numbers in the morning. Is that going to do anything for us? It probably will. Comes out 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So basically, why is that important? Well, every Fed member that spoke today, all 17 of them, plus Jerome Powell, has all been saying it's all about the jobs market. It's all about the jobs market. It's all about the jobs market. We'll stop raising rates if, one, inflation comes down, which it kind of has, and then two, if the jobs market cools the fuck off. Well, it's not cooling the fuck off. We got jobless numbers tomorrow. So the market wants jobless numbers technically to be very hot, which would in theory tell the Fed to cool off on the rate hikes, maybe even a rate reduction. So if it comes in super soft and there's not a lot of people getting laid off, then we could see a negative reaction to that, right? I don't really care what the number comes in at. I just care about the reaction. I think 64s could be a fade again, right? And I want a long 4,100, but I want to see a very nice reversal candle in there. If not, you're going to want to look at 4085 all the way to, 4085, then you're going to want to look at 4050. So below bounce area is 4085, 4050, and then 4100, I keep fucking that up. Below 4,100, 4085, 4050, then 4,000. Ugh, that was a fucking nightmare to say. Okay, above, if we could play a reject at 64s. If that comes in, you're going to want to short anywhere from 4180 to 4208. Okay, in these levels, you could just see how this supply, right? This is major supply up there. It kind of seems like we're getting a stage 3 distribution going on. Okay, and that's typically where supply is, right? Got a stage 1 right here. You've got the incline, or you got the breakout, right? And then this looks like distribution starting to go on. So let's see what happens. We either need to break to new highs, or we're going to come down and back test those levels I just mentioned. Okay, guys, so wake up early. Don't do anything fucking stupid. See you bright and early.